You don't need a huge business or a lot of money to build a stable income. The best way is to build it step by step safely, so you never lose what you already have. Today I'll share exactly how to start small and grow into your own micro-empire. 1. Start with zero-cost options. Use free tools, free platforms, and your own time first. This way, even if you make mistakes, you only learn without losing money. As you see results, you can invest only what you can afford. 2. Focus on providing value. Whether you make videos, recommend products, or share information, if it helps people, it will grow. Trust is your most valuable asset. Once people trust you, they will keep following and supporting you. 3. Reinvest your earnings wisely when you start making money. Don't spend it all. Use a small part to improve your skills, learn better ways, or try new things. This is how income grows over time. 4. Keep learning and adapting. The internet changes, but the rules stay the same. Stay legal, stay honest, and stay consistent. If you understand how things work, you can avoid risks and keep growing. 5. Build multiple small streams. Don't rely on only one source. Over time, you can have ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and other small income sources. Together, they become stable and reliable. A micro-empire is not about being rich overnight. It is about having control, safety, and growth. Start today. Keep it simple and keep it safe. If you found this helpful, please like this video, share it, and subscribe so we can grow together. Thank you for watching.